What's up, you guys? I've got a fun project I wanted to share with you today. I bought this guitar at a thrift store a couple of years ago, and it was in pretty bad disrepair. Of course, the strings weren't very good, the pick guard was missing, tuner knobs needed help. There were just a lot of things wrong with it. I have since added a pick guard. Just last week I added this beautiful, beautiful pick guard. I also have this ToneWood amp that I hope to install into it. This thing needs an acoustic pickup. That's a soundhole pickup or a built-in pickup. And to do that on this guitar specifically, I needed to get a pickup. This is going to be kind of half demo, half installation guide. But I wanted to show you the different ins and outs of these two things and how well they work and all the different cool things you can do with them. So let's check it out. First, I want to open up this pickup so you can see what I bought just recently on Amazon. Open that up. Boy, that is beautiful. Rango. And it has volume and tone. Because it's passive, you don't plug it in. I would assume that the volume we would just leave up or most of the way up. And then the tone I'll have to play with to see what kind of is the best sound. And then it looks like it plugs in kind of like a 3.5 millimeter. This is a little folded up. It's okay. What does ensilized mean? Ensilized. It's English. It came with like a humbucker version and a single pickup version. This is cool. I looked at it, I was like, wait a minute, how is a 1/4 inch going to fit in there? But it's not 1/4 inch, it's like aux cord, like 3.5. And then this side of it is your strap hole. That will just go right into there. And then this part goes in the sound hole and attaches nicely with these kind of acrylic holders. And then this side is going to go into our actual, the nut at the bottom. Cool. Oh, this is beautiful. It also has the optional installation of just like putting it next to your sound hole or just kind of like on the side of the guitar somewhere. And then this attaches to it. I'm not going to end up using this because we're going to use it as the knuckle that the strap goes on. So I'll have to loosen the strings and get up in there. So the next part of it is this ToneWood amp. And I actually got this ToneWood amp as a gift for Christmas from my dad. And I am stoked to install it. This is just fun. I can't wait. There's a warning on the side that says, caution, very strong magnets. Okay. I was watching a video, and the magnets are the way that the ToneWood amp installs onto the guitar. One of the things that I watched said you ought to have some painter's tape too. So I brought some painter's tape, kind of the end of a roll there. It comes with a fun sticker, shiny sticker. I think I've watched the video manual already. This is the amp itself. That's gorgeous. So you've got your effects on a clicking dial, parameters, 3 AA batteries. It goes 2 here, 1 there, right in. And then here are our magnets. And it looks like the magnets came with another set of adhesive just in case you goof up the first one. Cool, cool. Should we do it? I'm kind of nervous. This is cool. Let's install this. Because I need a pickup, I'm kind of doing the pickup and the ToneWood amp at the same time. Hey, can we just appreciate that pick guard for a sec? Golly, is that gorgeous. That is not original. That is aftermarket. I am going to need to loosen the strings. Because this guitar is a rescue, there are some creative parts about it. For example, the strap notch is just a nut and a bolt. We got to take that off. My arm is too big. The hole that was drilled does not fit this. So we are going to need to drill a hole And it just has to be this size. Doesn't need to be huge, but it does need to be a little bit bigger. So to bore a hole, I've got my drill bit set. Perfect. It totally should fit now. Okay, towards, oh, right there, up, in. That's actually perfect. Okay, so then this goes in, just like that. Well, with the help of a small child, we got this piece in place. Now we are going to put the actual pickup into the sound hole. Maybe we should install the Tonewood first so that our hands aren't like... Good job, small child. Awesome. Output like this. Let's make sure it's nice and straight. So it'll hold in place while we do the other part. The other part is the ridiculously strong magnets. The magnets are very strong. They've stuck to everything, including this old screw and my capo. It's stuck to my capo. So the next thing is we test where this is going to fit on. And if it's on one of the wooden bridges on the inside, then we have to kind of replace it. Okay, it's going right over one of those wooden bridges. Oh, that's like perfect. Okay. So to here up my arm, it lined up just right. So I'm going to take these off. Stick it far enough in. Okay. Put these to the side in case I need them again. Okay, so that is on there. I mean, just look at this. Look at this. We get close. Choink. Sticks on there with magnets. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is just gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to leave that on so that it's still going to stick overnight. Because those little sticky pads that we put on, those need to solidify. Now, let's put our pickup into the sound hole. Oh, that's cool. Need to install this first. Maybe I should plug this in first. Just hugs the sound hole. Oh, look at those two pieces of wood next to each other. Oh, that's just beautiful. Get it nice and straight. Nice and straight. Okay, and then we tighten this one. So it says plus side, minus side. Plus facing this way. And then here, minus, minus. So on the back side, there's a power button. ToneWood. The highest volume is 25. The room. Plate. Delay. Tremolo. Leslie. Ottawa. Chorus. Okay, bypass or hall. Let's maybe tune up these strings and try it out. We plug in our patch cable, down lower like that, into the input. Turning that on. Okay, that's all the way up. Do you hear that? That's wicked. That is so cool. Okay, here's room, plate, delay. Let's try delay. So you can change the speed of the delay. Oh, this is so cool. So the volume's all the way up. The one I am looking forward to is, I'm scrolling the wrong way. Let's try chorus. Chorus. So you can turn down the depth. Turn up the depth. Oh, what a good sound. That's so fun. It sounds like it's coming from like out there. Like it sounds like it's coming from outside of the room. Alright, there it is. I've got an awesome guitar that didn't cost me very much, but adding a bunch of things to it, yeah, okay, it did cost me a lot. I've got a brand new pick guard. I've got a new pickup in it as the holder, and of course this thing right here, the ToneWood Amp. Absolutely awesome, well worth the price of admission. So cool. It's got some great sounds to it, great effects, and it is basically an amplifier wherever you need it. I am gonna have tons of fun with this. Alright, thanks you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next one.